Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are making a quick and delicious salad with egg, carrot, sweet corn, green peas and canned chicken. Let's get started. We will need some boiled eggs for protein. Start by boiling 6 eggs until firm. Put in hot water and boil it for 10 minutes. 3 carrots for crunch. While the eggs are boiling, peel your carrot. Divide 1 carrot into 3. Eggs is ready. Remove and put into cold water for 5 minutes. If you don't have cold water, put in ice. Let's boil carrot for 3 minutes because we need the vibrant crunch. Add in hot water. Cover and let it boil for 3 minutes. Carrots are ready. Transfer into the tray for it to cool down. Peel and slice the egg. Cut the carrot into small slices. Cut the canned chicken into small size bites. I'm using 240 grams for the canned chicken. We need it for the savory kick. We need 1 red bell pepper. We need sweet corn for a touch of sweetness. 240 grams. We need green peas for protein. 240 grams. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button for more healthy recipe. We need small bunch of parsley. For the dressing, we need olive oil 50 grams. We need mayonnaise 2 tablespoons. Fresh yogurt 2 tablespoons. Half teaspoon salt. Half teaspoon black pepper. Dry garlic parsley. Well mix. And there you have it, a simple and delicious salad in just minutes. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick recipe. See you next time. Ciao!